Hi, I am Om from PixelAPI. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn one product photo into a real 3D render video with a single API call. Turntable, dolly, or cinematic camera, your choice. Let us get started. Most product video shoots cost weeks and thousands of dollars. And the cheap AI tools out there only fake the rotation. They extrude the photo into a slab and orbit a flat card. We wanted a real 3D rotation that shows the side, the back, the depth. That is what Lensora Studio does. Step 1. Head over to pixelapi.dev, click Sign In, and use your Google account. You get 100 free credits the moment you sign up. No credit card needed. Once you are in, your dashboard shows your credit balance, your API key, and your usage. Copy the API key. We will paste it into our code in a second. Step 3. Open the Lensora Studio tool right inside your dashboard. Drop in your product photo. Pick a camera move, turntable, dolly, or cinematic. Pick the duration and aspect ratio. Click Generate. If you don't write code, this is your whole flow. 80 credits, 4 minutes, done. Now the code. Lensora Studio is a two-call workflow. First, we initialize the job with our photo. The API generates a 3D model from the image. Second, we transform. We pick a camera preset, set duration and aspect ratio, and the API renders an MP4 of our 3D object on a brand new background. Both calls return a job ID, and we poll the status endpoint until the result is ready. End to end, about 4 minutes of wall clock. 80 credits, 8 cents. And here is the result. One photo went in. This MP4 came out. The camera is doing a real turntable front, side, back, side, front on a clean studio backdrop. The geometry has actual depth. No slab. No edge-on flicker. That is Lensora Studio. Photo to 3D render video in one API call. If you build for e-commerce, real estate, or product showcases, give it a spin. Sign up link is in the description. Thank you for watching.